In this video, we will go over adding and managing locations. Begin by navigating to the Locations page using the left side menu. Then click the Add New Locations button on the top right corner. You may then begin by adding the location name and then the address. You can then add the apartment number or floor and the phone number. We can then continue to the staff. Here we can assign the staff at this location. We can make a selection and press the next button, and now we can assign the services that are assigned to this location. And we can finish with the done button. And that's all it takes to add a new location to your account. You can manage by using the pencil button, and then we can also change the providers and the services again if we wanted to. We can then delete using the garbage can button next to the location. Please contact us at support@yocale.com or use the chat symbol for more help.